Hello my dear student, today we will take one more problem to find out the reaction by using ILD. So let us take a question here. Determine the reaction RA and RB. Determine the reaction RA and RB by using ILD, influence line diagram, by using ILD for the beam shown in the figure. For the beam shown in the figure. So let us take a beam AB of span 20 meter and load 10 kilonewton at a distance of 5 meter. So this is the question. We have to find out RA and RB by using ILD. So let us start by taking load as 1 and 5 meter as X, general form. So let us write sigma MB is equal to 0, RA into 20 is equal to 1 into 20 minus X. Therefore, RA is equal to 20 minus X by 20. This is the general equation. L minus X by L. RA is equal to L minus X by L. So, RA plus RB is equal to 1, which says RB is equal to X by 20. So, now we will apply a condition for RA and RB. At X is equal to 0, RA is equal to, at X is equal to 0, RA is equal to, if I substitute at X as 0, it will be 20 by 20, which is equal to 1, and RB is equal to 0 by 20, which is 0. In the same way, at X is equal to half of the 20, the span is 10 meter. Let us take here as 10 meter. RA is equal to 20 minus 10 divided by 20, that is 10 by 20. So, RA is equal to 0.5 and RB is equal to, X is equal to 10, 10 by 20 is 0.5. In the same way, at X is equal to 20, RA is equal to, here it is 20 minus 20, that is 0, 0 by 20 is 0, and RB is equal to 20 by 20, which is 1. Now, we will draw an influence line diagram for reaction RA and RB. So, first for a RA, at X is equal to 0, RA is equal to 1. So, first we will draw a line here. At X is equal to 0, RA is equal to 1. At X is equal to 20, RA is equal to 0. So, we have a linear here. This is 0, this is 1. At X is equal to 10, we have RA is equal to 0.5. That is at the center point, it is 0.5. And we have one more term at X is equal to 5 meter. Let us calculate for that. At X is equal to 5 meter, RA is equal to 20 minus 5 divided by 20, that is 15 by 20. So, we get 15 by 20 as 0.75. So, here RA is equal to 0.75 and RB is equal to 5 by 20, right, 5 by 20, which is 0.25. Here it is 0.25. So, at X is equal to 5 meter, you have 0.75. This is influence line diagram for reaction RA. So, we have to calculate at X is equal to 5, what is RA, right. At X is equal to 5, RA is equal to 0.75. So now we will calculate the reaction RA, which is magnitude into ordinate. What is the magnitude given here? It is 10 kilonewton and ordinate is 0.75. Therefore, RA is equal to 7.5 kilonewton. RA is equal to 7.5 kilonewton. Here in this question they are asked to find out the reaction RA and also RB. So, we will calculate for RB. We have calculated for RB, we have to draw the influence line diagram for RB. So, it is like this. For RB we have to draw an diagram ILD. At x is equal to 0, RB is equal to 0. At x is equal to 20, RB is equal to 1. So, it is like this. This is 1, this is 0. At x is equal to 5 meter, RB is equal to 0.25 and at the center it is 0.5. At x is equal to 5, it is 0.25 and at x is equal to 10, it is 0.5. This is ILD for reaction RB. For reaction RB. Now we have to calculate RB. What is the reaction RB? RB is equal to ordinate into magnitude. Ordinate is 0.25, magnitude is 10. That is RB is equal to 2.5 kilonewton. So, cross shear check, if we go for a check, then if I write sigma MB is equal to 0, then RA into 20 is equal to 10 into 15. Therefore, RA is equal to 150 by 20, which is 7.5 kilonewton. And we have RA plus RB is equal to total load, from which we get RB is equal to 2.5 kilonewton. So, this is how we have to solve the given problem by ILD. Okay. Thank you.